Chassis manufacturing, steel cutting. High-strength steel sheets are cut using laser or plasma cutting machines. Frame welding. The truck's base frame is welded together. Anti-rust coating. A protective coating is applied to prevent rust and corrosion. Engine and transmission installation. Engine assembly. A powerful diesel engine is installed on the chassis. Transmission system. Gearbox and drivetrain components are added for power delivery to the wheels. Cooling system. Radiators and fans are installed to keep the engine cool. Hydraulic system assembly, hydraulic pump, installed to power the lifting mechanism. Cylinders and pipes. Hydraulic cylinders and steel piping are connected to raise and lower the dump bed. Control levers. Driver's cabin gets controls for operating the lift mechanism. Cabin fabrication and mounting cab creation. Cab is built separately using sheet metal and molded components. Interior fitting. Seats, dashboard, steering, pedals, air conditioning, and electronics are added. Mounting on chassis, the cabin is bolted to the chassis securely. Dump bed construction. Heavy steel panels. These are cut, shaped, and welded to make the dump body. Reinforcements. Sidewalls and base are reinforced to carry stones, sand, or gravel. Hinge and lift points. Hinges and lift arms are added at the rear and hydraulic lift points at the front. Painting and coating primer spray. Truck is sprayed with a base primer for adhesion and rust prevention. Color painting. High durability paint is applied. Drying in oven. Truck parts are heat cured in a large industrial oven. Wheels and tires installation. Heavy-duty tires. Large rugged tires are installed with durable axles. Balancing. Wheels are balanced for smooth movement and proper weight distribution. Electrical system and lights. Wiring installation, lights, signals, ignition, dashboard instruments, and alarms are connected. Battery and alternator. These are installed to power all systems. Final assembly and testing system integration. All parts are connected and tested together. Hydraulic lift test. The dump bed is lifted and lowered multiple times for safety. Road test. The truck is driven to test brakes, steering, and engine performance. Quality check. Final inspection by quality control engineers. Branding and shipping company logos. Stickers or spray-painted logos are applied. Transport to dealers. The truck is loaded onto trailers or driven to dealerships or customers. Benefits of the dump truck making process. Durability uses heavy-duty steel for long life. Safety. Hydraulic and braking systems are tested thoroughly. Customization, size, color, and features can be changed based on use. Efficiency. Modern automation helps produce more trucks in less time.